Welcome back to the channel, guys. First, before I proceed, let me say that this is not an attack on Portia Simpson-Miller's persona. This is an address of Portia Simpson-Miller, the politician. And before me say anything else, let me say this: I am not somebody who speaks along party lines. I am not somebody who is politically tribalistic or partisan. I am somebody who is issue oriented and somebody who, if I am voting, I vote on the issues and not the persons. You understand? So Miss Simpson-Miller is a career politician. She is, as I said in Jamaica, a big woman. You understand? In so many ways. She is the former Prime Minister. She is the President of the People's National Party. She has been in politics long before my time. You understand what I mean? I say she has seen it all. She has done it all. See? And she, along the way, have made mistakes and have found herself on the wrong end of public outcry and lashing in the past. See? And she went to Senton in support of the PNP councillor in a particular constituency, and she made some unfortunate utterances and statements. You understand what I mean? I say it wouldn't be the first time that she has overstepped on a political platform and have said things that in reflection she might, in retrospect, regret. This is a condensed and edited version of the things that she said on said platform. If you haven't heard before, just have a listen and then we will read about it from the forward back. Soon come.
The noise and the shouting won't help. We have a country to protect, and we have the integrity of the People's National Party to protect. Let me tell you something. This is one woman who never run from a fight from anyone. And don't joke with me. Because the people who are here tonight can't fool my constituency. And don't try it with me. I don't allow anyone to disrespect me anywhere. I represent one of the strongest constituencies in Jamaica. Don't play with me. I don't play games. I work hard for this movement from 1974 until now. No boy, no girl can't talk to me. Can't mash up nothing. I will come back here for another meeting and I know who I will bring. Anytime you have a political movement or a constituency and you cannot instill peace and love, something is wrong in the town of Denmark. I want people to know, you know, it's no me behavior, you know. Because people never ever trouble me and get away with it. I don't allow it. The elections give the people an opportunity to elect a team that will govern their affairs at the local level. The councillors of the Moneague and Claremont divisions are the PNP standard bearers. The person who's screaming, if you want to come make this speech, come make it. But I'm sure the people wouldn't listen to you, everyone would walk away. When one person send few people to come make up a noise at a meeting, that don't faze me. Where was that?
No, Portia has been around forever politically, in truth, and she would have been in situations before where many persons would have voiced opposition as to her presence and her motives. You understand what I mean? I say, and I am thinking that at this stage of her political life, she should be able, you know, to hear people say things and ignore them. You understand what I mean? I say, how she responded to the situation, I think, was absolutely wrong. Why? This is a lady who has served as the Prime Minister, the Premier Minister of the country in the past. You understand what I mean? I say, on 2 occasions. Zane, and for address a situation like she did, saying what she did, making statements and suggestions that she did, I absolutely think is distasteful. It is sending the wrong message, and it is very unfortunate when you're going to make statements that you can have a next meeting and you can come back and you know who to bring. For me, you suggest that you have people who do people things. I'm going to think as a leader of the country that is the right message. You understand me? So when you say you have one of the strongest constituencies in the country, what you mean? You understand? Because that can be interpreted a number of ways. You know, strongest means you can't lose. Strongest means then will carry out a political will if you want. Strongest means then will do things to you where would be outside the realms and borders of conventional law. So what we are trying to say here, so you understand what I say? Saying that she don't allow people to disrespect her and get away with it, and she's the wrong person to test and don't try it and them something that I not think as somebody who probably still entertain hopes and dreams of becoming the Prime Minister again one day and is the opposition leader and persons look up to this lady. I don't think of the right message that we are sending, especially considering the state of our crime situation at this point in time. This is not the message that we should be trying to proliferate. This is not the message that we should be sending to the youth. You understand what I mean? I said this is not the message that we should be sending to party supporters who are very fickle, Zane, and very hot-headed, some of them, and quick for do things. You understand what I say? I think it is a situation where she erred, and I think that she is probably somewhere now reflecting and saying, "Whoa, what did I do?" You understand? But whatever she's thinking, this is my personal opinion. Feel free to disagree. Feel free to agree in the comment section below. Tell me if you think that she was in her right to say what she said, if based on her position it was the right thing to do, or she just rung up and she need to check herself. And I don't know, yeah, man. But just me personally don't like it. And as me I said, this is not me bashing Portia as the person. This is me saying, as a politician, as a leader of the country, as a former Prime Minister, it don't sound good. It don't look good. You understand? And it is sending a message that is not a message that we need at this point in time, or any time in our existence for that matter. So this is this. And people, yo, make we try to be less partisan and tribalistic now. Make we practice with civil rights and civil duty under the Adult Suffrage Act. And if we support a party, we support a party. If we support a candidate, we support a candidate. If we don't support a candidate, we just don't support a candidate. We don't need to cuss about it. We don't need to fight with one another. Yo, this is just a reflection of the society and the whole still. You understand? We are conflict oriented, we are conflict driven, you understand? We don't reach a stage where we can discuss things and iron out issues without being confrontational and physical. Sister saying, Sister P, Mama P, Auntie Portia, you don't look good. Fix it up then, man. Please and thanks. Out. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.